Good day everyone, my name is William Nutingo from grade 11 Fortitude. I am going on a visit open-minded nature. Nature is beautiful, important, and includes the trees, flowers, and animals, and more. We need to take care of nature because it gives us a clean air, water, and food. And we walk a part of forest and can feel happy and realize an important to protect the nature. For the future generations, we should do little for the harm plants, animals, nature. So give us should be grateful for it. Nature is beauty, balance the soul and connects the obviously make the world and sounds forever. The signs of trees, all the of reminded and life simple place. I'm nature and find the solace place, a place where the worries and fear can case and I'm reminded of beauty and sounds as the beauty and can light up and make all thought. So let the Christ nature is all the brings for the gift that makes at heart sings and let the grateful emotions straight. Then connects the obvious to make a live the fear.